What's going on, Gunners, YouTubers, subscribers? More work onto Project Driver. Today we are going to install cables. We're going to install the shifter box. We're going to install the injector clips. We're going to share all that knowledge with you today on this vlog. I am currently ready to use the Blair bit kit. Remember this guy right here from come on. What's going on with this focusing? How come I can never get it right? Whatever. The Blair bit kit that we used on Mike's car when we were doing all the spot weld removing. So right now I have the car in the air and I am going to remove that part. Flip the camera around. Let's start gunning. Okay, so what I did now was I just started to mark where all the spot welds are and I used the punch. So that's it. So you basically look for all the spot welds and you make a punch into it. So I am going to take this plate off right here because this lip will not let the plate sit down. It's not that hard. I'm going to get the drill out and get it done. Yeah, so after fighting with this guy for a little drilled out the weld spots. Because remember, I told you this lip won't let me sit the TSM plate on for the shifter box. So I just got two left that are right here. It's about to break off. I want to record that for you guys. And that's it. This is garbage. This is no good. And this was holding us back. So I'll get up there, clean it up, make sure everything is nice and flat. And we move on. Yeah, plate's all bolted up now. And very easy. Just first I had to drill these two holes out, right? So what I did was these two holes line up into the TSM plate, right? I bolted these two up first and then I had my center points. So I just simply went with the smallest drill bit to begin the hole and then I gradually moved up until I got to this size. So the plate's in. I'm gonna block off the bottom with maybe like a thin sheet of aluminum so I don't get some fumes, coming in, because the header's literally like right about here. So if it does ever have a leak, or there's always leaks, I don't want those fumes shooting into the car. But the plate's on, it looks great. Wiring is coming all together, and we're getting closer by the day, man. Look at that, really nice. If anyone needs a hookup on this, tsmrace.com, use the code TSM15, you can knock off 15%. Just to help you guys out. It's a thing that we're working together with this company, and we're just trying to spread some love around, man. But thank you, TSM Race. I appreciate you guys, and can't wait to see how the shifter looks. Stock shifter in. I really wanted to keep this car like on the budget. I could have went out there and got like a built head and stuff like that, but I'm really just trying to encourage my followers to work with what they have. So stock shifter box, I love it. I love the stock shifter box. You guys are going to see some beastin' ass shifting, I promise you, man. You're going to get to see you're finally going to get to really see how I really got my name. It's going to be crazy, I promise you. But stock shifter box, just bolt that in, very easy, hex key. Super simple. I don't think you guys need me to explain that part, but we are getting there. Alright, so we got the dash back in. We did all the wiring. Lefty's behind the camera today. Thank you, Lefty. He's gonna jump to the other side, show you guys how much me and Trappy cleaned up this dashboard. If anyone out there in the YouTube world has one of these guys, where's this called, Trap?
That's the headlight switch.
Headlight switch. This whole mechanism right here. Turn signal, headlight switch. I need it. PayPal ready. I don't trust this gas tank. I don't trust what's in it. So I'm gonna take apart the top here, and we're gonna drop the gas tank today and clean that out. So Lefty will jump on the other side and he'll show you how clean we got it. It's in here, yeah. That's fine. Alright, so we cleaned it up pretty well over there. Still a few wires we have to figure out what needs a ground, what doesn't. Check it out. But we cleaned up all that wiring. Every wire that was cut, we put it back to its original source. And the dash is nice and sturdy. So now over here I am going to drop the gas tank. So I took this apart. I am going to I'm gonna need a 17 for that, and that's about it. So the next thing we're doing is dropping the gas tank, because we don't want to do this build and clog up an injector, because I don't know how long this car's been sitting. So let's keep gunning. Should have gave me the 90. So hot, man. Okay, the rest is from the bottom. Alright, so now what we're doing is we're just going to drain whatever fuel we can get out of here now before dropping the tank. Hopefully it's not too much. Oh, it's going to fill up. I got you. Put it on there. One man's trash is another man's treasure. More gas for the CRV. You see me, Fluff? Fuel tank's out. Just take off this top cap where the fuel pump is being held, and we're gonna wash this out. We'll put some M1 inside, let that eat away, and then drain it.
This you can't use.
It's all over for you. No more gas. Our fuel tank all cleaned out. Put the hose in first, then we put the hose in trap. I had to push a clamp on it. Okay, that's fine. All done. Alright, we're gonna have to conclude this video. We were about to wire up the injectors, just put the clips on, but obviously the pins are different from the factory to the IDs. We didn't know. So I just ordered on my phone from Amazon the crimpler that we need. It'll be here Friday. We don't have much more to go. We're kicking butt as we speak every day. So I hope you guys are enjoying the content. I hope you guys are learning. And yeah, that's about it, man. Like, comment, subscribe, and I appreciate all your support, man. Keep gunning.